Well, hello there, friends. So today is Viewer Appreciation Day. Yay! So what I'm going to do is show my appreciation to all of you for what you've been doing for me. So since I started my Buy Me a Coffee campaign, it's really starting to bear some fruit now. And I'm going to show you exactly who contributed and exactly what I'm doing with the money that people and that you are contributing to my channel to make it a better channel. For the last few years that I've had this YouTube channel, I'm always constantly trying to improve on your experience that you're having with me. So that way you'll come visit me every week. For those of you that are new here, what is Buy Me a Coffee? Check this out. If you find value in my upholstery tutorials, now is an easier way to contribute to my YouTube channel. Buy a coffee by scanning this QR code now. Thank you. And this is the list of my latest contributors. Where are your contributions going? Well, look at that. So we're talking about a new camera, new microphones, and even some lens filters. So this is the setup that I've been using for a little while. So that gives me the down shots right there. You've probably seen that. But you know what? This thing really struggles with low light conditions. And when I'm taking the video of whenever I'm trying to sew something up right over here, it always looks dark, and that always bugged the heck out of me. What I'm recording with right now is my Galaxy phone, which I've been using like forever. And you know, it too struggles in low light conditions. I mean, you can see what I've been trying to do. Okay, I got all this light here. Lights, and more lights. I got lights everywhere. Yeah, but you know what? My videos are still like really dark. So yeah, I've been doing everything I can about the light, but maybe it's not the light, maybe it's the camera. This is what I've been using here for my microphone. So this microphone right here, it turns out to be, it has like no noise canceling. So anytime I'm moving anywhere, you could probably hear it's probably picking up a bunch of crazy noise all over the place. And geez. And it hasn't been reliable. My last video, my 2-hour video, you probably saw it last week. Anyway, there was a big portion of that video where the audio was so bad, I just couldn't stand it anymore. I had to put some music to it from my other channel, matter of fact. But that's how bad it was. So I think that's going to fix me up here in the camera department. And fix me up here in the microphone department. Okay. Well, I was waiting for this stuff here to come in. And now it's here. I'm so excited. So this stuff here is not sponsored. It is by you, my viewers. This goes to show that the contributions to my channel actually mean something. Look at that. Wow. Guess I got to figure out how to use all this now. Another learning curve. What is that? Well, it's a little battery. Okay. Got more stuff in there. What's that? Well, it's a strap. Okay. Next. Well, you can tell I'm so excited, huh? Okay. You know, this is going to make Everything's so much better. I'm pretty sure of it. I hope I can guarantee you guys better videos in the future. What do we got here? More wires, more plugs. Okay, how do you open this thing? So I guess I didn't want this to fall out of the bag. Okay. So this, with this, microphones. How do you open this thing? It says press to unlock. Oh, press to unlock. Oh, they're blinking. Oh, they're blinking because I opened the door. But look at this. This is the microphone. Look at that. It's got a magnet. So I can put the magnet on the inside, and this will be on the outside. Wow. Brand new shiny toy. What? Oh, look at that. Ni Hua Jiao. Ni Chen Guaran and Hao. It's in Chinese. Okay. I gotta figure that one out, huh? Well, I just went through about an hour and a half learning curve. Half of that was in Chinese. I finally figured out how to get it in English. But anyway, check this out. It's got face tracking. Maybe that'll come in handy later. I can also work it here from my phone. So anything that's going on here, Look at that. Or was that me? I think that was me moving. Oh, I see. Oh, look at that. I can put the tracking on anything. Oh, I can put it on the sewing machine. Look at that. That'll work. So, but the sewing machine's not going to be moving, I guess, is it? So it looks like I can even move it around. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm drunk. Oh, okay, here we go. Yeah, that works. Well, it looks like I have a lot more to figure out on that camera to get it dialed in. But anyway, what I was interested in doing was seeing what does it look like when I'm sewing something up. I guess a lot of that's going to depend on the position of the camera too. And of course I have black on black, right? Black thread on black material. So that's going to be kind of hard to see, I guess. Anyway, I got a little bit of a light here. See how that shows up. So I guess this is what it's supposed to sound like when you hook up the microphones. So anyway, I got the microphones all synced up. And we'll see what it sounds like here with the machine, because I remember last time it didn't have the noise canceling. And that sewing machine was always so noisy. I'm curious about that myself. So I think we're going to have some fun with this one. Da, 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 da. So I just wanted to say how grateful I am to all of you for contributing to my channel to help with these upgrades, so that way I can bring better videos for you. You know, the last video I made was like 2-hour long video, and you guys thought that was really long. Well, you know what? That took me about 3 days to do the job, which normally would have took me about 2 days to do the job. But since I'm making a video, it cost me an extra day. So this is what I'm talking about when you contribute to these, to my videos. When you contribute to my channel, that's what helps me make these videos, and it keeps me going. Really, it does, because, you know, to tell you the truth, I'm not making a whole lot of money on the YouTube. But you know what? With your help, look what I got right here. Isn't that cool? Thank you. So I really wanted to show you in this video where your money is going. That it's not just going into some black hole someplace. Okay, we're reinvesting. So I think we're going to have some fun with this one. So until next time, we'll see ya. If you like this video, you'll really like the next one.